Hello guys, today I'll tell you that how you can install Jupyter Notebook, which is useful for executing code on your browser. You don't have to compile or do anything. Actually, Python codes do not need to be compiled. Python is a scripting language. Python interpreter interprets and changes your code for output. So you just have to first install pip3, which is used for installing Python libraries like ubuntu has sudo apt-get. So Python has pip3. So open your browser, like I have opened Chrome, and just type how to install pip3 on ubuntu, and see the first result is satisfied answer. So just copy and paste these two commands in your terminal and you are ready to be done. So I have installed it, so it's not giving me any prompt or anything, but you will get a prompt where you have to press Y, you have to type Y and then enter, and then just copy paste this one and just paste it here. So this will by default install pip3, which is used for Python 3, and pip is for Python just. Then we'll type clear, so this will all go aside, and then pip3 install Jupyter Notebook. And it will take some time. Actually I have installed it, so it will be fast for me, but it will be hefty for you because it takes a lot of time, because Jupyter Notebook runs on your browser, and it is a big program compared to other Python libraries. So see, it's done. It's taking some time, you have to be patient. And see, it's done. Now just type clear and just type pip3 install Jupyter Notebook. And after so please check your spellings, because it's not jupyter, it's jupyter. So when you hit enter, it will run on your local browser or your default browser. That, oh sorry, it just went wrong. I accidentally typed pip3 install Jupyter Notebook. Sorry guys, just wait for a moment. I'm really sorry. Sorry guys, once more, just type Jupyter Notebook, check for spelling and hit enter, and it will automatically run on your default browser on your local host. See, now I'll just full screen it. And if you want to create any new file or you want to upload any, so these are the buttons. For new, we will select Python 3 here because we are implementing something. Now we will just write a simple Python code like a equals to 10, enter, b equals to 10, enter, c equals to a plus b, and print c. And when we'll hit run, it will give us the output. That means that we have successfully installed Jupyter Notebook. Now we just have to log out from there, leave, and yes, see, we are done. Then just exit your Chrome browser and we are done for today. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like this and share this video.